from your side?
Definitely. Thumbs up.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. No worries. It's my duty to give you suggestions, so it's okay. And you can refer to
give me a
Google.
good idea.
Sorry?
You give me a very good idea.
Yes, because I
How
am
to-
very lazy. Okay. So I come up with these, tips and tricks. What are things can I do to enhance my skills? So I'm sharing that with you.
Okay, but I don't think so. You are a lazy.
No, I am lazy. When it comes to work, I'm not lazy, but apart from work, I'm very lazy.
Okay. Ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay.
This is our first class?
Important session with Clapingo.
Yes. No, with me. This is your first class?
Yeah, first.
With me? Okay.
Yes.
But your face is familiar. I mean, it seems I have taken a session already. That's why I did not ask you for your introduction. Let's start with your introduction then.
Okay, sorry. So, ma'am, my name is Sudhir
No
Patel.
problem.
I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and it is my bonus session because
You were saying something. You were watching a movie or what?
I was watching a cricket match, T20.
Okay, India versus Pakistan.
Yes.
So Pakistan is still batting or?
No, now India is still now batting. Virat and Hardik Pandya.
Okay. So what is the score?
I think it's 74, 12 overs.
Okay. So what do you
And
think are the chances of India winning?
I don't think so because already 4 wickets has gone and we need 84 runs in 48 balls. So
80
maybe
48 balls?
yes.
That means like almost like 2 runs in 1 ball approximately.
Yes, I think 10 or 11 run rate average run rate.
Okay. Yeah, that's very less.
Yes.
Okay. So the probability of India losing is more.
Yes, because we don't have a good players in behind. 4 wickets already gone.
Okay. So like let's suppose if India loses, then India will be able to play any other match or?
It is the first match of the series.
Okay, today is the first match and that too India versus Pakistan. Wow.
It is
Good.
the first match.
Yes. Everybody is very crazy when it comes to cricket, and people get more crazy when it comes to India versus Pakistan.
And still, I hope India will be win.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, last time also India lost.
But now, hoping always.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, it's a sport, so it is very unpredictable.
Okay, yes.
Right. Secondly, I believe a sport should be taken as a sport. People take it too personally. When India loses, people are like heartbroken and shattered and they are very upset. That should not be. It's just a sport.
Oh, yes, it's a game.
Yes.
It's a game. Anytime anything would be happen.
Yes. And I was reading on Instagram about Harshdeep or Arshdeep. There is a cricketer.
Yes, Harshdeep.
I mean, he did something. I don't know exactly, but something positive about him was
he got 2 wickets and he put the pressure on Pakistani team when in the first.
Okay,
But
maybe that. I saw his picture, like he was very happy. And somebody posted it online. So I saw his picture and he was very happy and it was like, what a moment. So I thought maybe he has done something good, like.
On the very first over, he got a wicket. So that's why he put someone.
That's why. Yeah. And I remember, I think last time when India versus Pakistan match was going on, I think because of him only we lost the match.
Maybe.
And people were so crazy about it. I think so. It was him because I remember the name a little bit. I think he could not catch the last ball, something. And people were so crazy and they were like sending so many hate messages and hate comments about him. He's a Khalistani and he is, in Pakistan's team, so and so. It's very bad.
If today we lost, if today we lose match, in that situation, Ashwin will be player who
Would be blamed for it?
yeah, because he lose
Oh,
catches,
it's because of
and he
him. It's
also
because
miss fields. Yes, he did a miss fields and he lost catches.
but again, it's just a sport. It's very unpredictable if you're able to catch it or not. I mean,
But
anything can happen. It's not that
some
somebody
people
is doing it on purpose.
yes, but some people put a blame because he simple catch he lose, and maybe it happen each and everyone. But you know what? When India lose matches with lost matches with Pakistan in that situation, people always put a blame on someone and crying and make a news.
Yes. But but the thing is, like, even on television, it seems like it was just a small basic catch, or it was just a normal game. But being on that field in that pressure, imagine how much pressure do these players have?
Yes,
Pressure amongst each other also, and then the audience who's watching. See, people are watching them live. So they
yes,
are
yes,
very much, conscious and aware that they can't even commit one single mistake. Then all over the world, people are watching. So the
yes. I
pressure
think
that they
cricket.
have.
Yes, pressure is a very dangerous, and the playground is a hot ground. Once
Yes,
we go there, it means we go in a hot place.
yes, that is true. That's true. But it's not practically possible. And only
Yes,
one
yes,
team can win. If two teams are playing, only one will win. Either Pakistan will or India will win.
yeah. One thing will happen. Maybe
Yes.
India, maybe Pakistan.
Yeah, I mean, there can always be one winner.
Yes, yes. Maybe in, ma'am, where are you from?
I am from Delhi.
Delhi. Okay, okay, okay.
This is our first class?
No, ma'am. I think it's the 13 or 14 session with Clapingo.
Yes. No, no, with me. This is your first class?
Yeah, first.
With me? Okay.
Yes.
But
We
your
did it.
face familiar. I mean, seems I have taken a session already. That's why I did not ask you for your introduction. Let's start
Okay,
with your introduction then.
okay, sorry. So, ma'am, my name is Sudhir
No
Patel. I
problem.
am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and it is my bonus session because I book. I was booked with Anindya Roy. I think two times
Hmm.
it was cancelled. First with Mantavya rathore. He was also from Delhi, and he did not join to the session. Second time, um, Clapingo returned me the session, added back session, and I booked with Anindya Roy. But he was also feeling unwell, and Clapingo once time gave me her bonus session, and this is now with you.
Okay. Because there's change in weather, it happened with me also. In the morning, I was fine. Few days back, I was fine. During the afternoon and evening, I started feeling unwell. And I
Yes,
was
yes.
sneezing, I was coughing, I had watery eyes. I was just wiping my eyes in between the class. So it was very
Oh,
distracting for the learner also because you can't study like that. I mean, we can't talk like that. So I felt very sad. I had to cancel all my classes.
oh.
So I told the learners that I am in no condition to take, I am willing to, but I am not in the condition to. My body is not supporting. I will
Yes,
faint
yes.
anytime. So I will just provide you all with the backup sessions. For now, let's just disconnect. So I also felt very bad. Sometimes in case of emergency, we have to do it.
Thank you so much joining my session because it was my last chance.
Crossed. I am well today. Fingers crossed. I'm feeling very good, very energetic.
Okay, thank you.
Today is your last class on Clapingo?
No, ma'am, no, not a last class, but it's a week. I have a session, one session in a 1 week, and
Okay.
it was today is a Sunday. Okay, after 6, my next week will be start, and this session will be
Okay.
if not.
Got it.
Yes, yes.
So the remaining days, are you practicing at home? You have only one class on Clapingo.
Yes, remaining days I practice with my son. I practice with means my mobile recording mobile. I have no confidence to practice with mirror talk because it is more difficult for me to talk in a mirror. But I do with mobile. I speak in a mobile and I watch my recording. Okay, and now I am also reading some few books. Uh, Prabhu Gaur Gopal Das, Life Amazing Facts, Ignited Mind. 2 books now I am reading.
Okay. You have to go through the session notes. Okay. Do you know about the session notes? Do you go through it?
I had yes, but I'm not ready to go with session notes because I am uncomfortable with I don't know how to. Today's session note I think helping friends. I think suppose
A friend move. Okay. I'll tell you what you are supposed to do
help.
with that also. Helping a friend move.
Okay.
In that document,
Yes.
you are given the questions, the hints, and the prompts. Okay. If you want to read it, well and good. If you don't want to read it, it's fine. Straight away move to vocabulary. Okay. Word meanings are given there. Try to read the word meanings also loudly.
Okay.
Whenever you find any new word, you have to write it in your notebook. Write down the word, serial number wise, 1, 2, 3, 4. Serial number, word, meaning, and while doing your revision, you have to write down the sentence using that word. One sentence using that word daily. So if you have 10 words in your notebook, you will have to write 10 sentences daily. By the end of 10 days, you will have 100 sentences. 10 sentences each using each word. In total, it seems like, okay, wow, 100 sentences, but just one sentence daily, right? Hardly it will take you 10-15 minutes.
Yes.
It will really help you in enhancing your vocabulary, and you would not have to feel pressurized that you have to learn. There would be no pressure, no burden. It would be just like very casual that you're revising your notes. Okay? If you're unable to frame sentences, again, you can refer to Google. No worries, it's my duty to give you suggestions, so it's okay. And you can refer to Google. Sorry?
You give me a very good idea.
Yes, because I am very lazy. Okay, so I come up with these, tips and tricks. What are things can I do to enhance my skills? So I'm sharing that with you.
Okay, but I don't think so. You are a lazy.
No, I am lazy. When it comes to work, I am not lazy, but apart from work, I am very lazy.
Okay, ma'am. I have small request for you. I have a YouTube channel and I want to put this video on YouTube.
Okay.
Can I get permission from your side?
Definitely. Thumbs up.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other doubt, any question, anything that you want to ask?
No, I want to ask only how to, which technique I use for improving my English part. And I think you give me 2 techniques. First, one is vocabulary and second is reading loudly. Okay.
Yes.
Any technique do you have?
Yes. You have to be consistent, you have to be patient, you have to give it time, and you have to practice daily. Just go through the documents, vocabulary is given, grammar is given, reading passage is also given. You have to read the reading passage aloud. Then you can do your homework, fill in the blanks and all are given. Along with that, answer key is also there. So you can cross-check your answers and check your progress daily. Out of 20, how much have you scored? Out of 30, how much have you scored? And check your progress. Okay? If you do these activities on a regular basis, within 5-6 days, you'll start noticing a difference.
Okay.
Yes. And whenever we connect next time, I'll give you some other tips and tricks. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining. And happy Diwali in advance.
Happy Diwali to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.